Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm going to be making this super creamy Cajun chicken pasta. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now, let's cook. So okay guys, here I have my chicken breast. Now what I'm doing is, I'm gonna wrap it between two film wrap, and I'm gonna use my rolling pin just to beat it, tenderize it, because I do not have a meat tenderizer, and this is going to allow the chicken to cut easier. Now to season my chicken, I'm using Cajun season, and I am using a generous amount, guys. This is about a tablespoon on each side, or a tablespoon and a half on each side, but I will be sure to list all the ingredients down in the description below, so be sure to check that out, guys. I'm also going to be using half teaspoon of oregano on both sides, so 1 teaspoon overall. Now in a medium-sized skillet, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of canola oil. I'm going to allow that to heat. Then I'm gently laying my chicken breast there. Now I'm going to sear my chicken breast for about 3 minutes until it's golden, because I will be placing it in the oven for 5 minutes to continue cooking. And guys, this is the sear that you want to achieve. It's perfect, yeah, just absolutely amazing. And guys, you see those dark thingy like it's burned? It's not burned, it's just the oregano. That's just it. It's just all flavor, honey, just all flavor. Now guys, I'm moving over to my pasta. Now when your water starts to boil, you're going to add your pasta shell. I'm using rigatoni. I'm going to cook this according to the package instructions until it's al dente. Guys, that thing floating, that's just from when I was peeling garlic. Don't mind that, sorry. Now in that same skillet that we sear our chicken, I'm going to saute my garlic, onion, and pepper. Now I'm just gonna saute this until it is fragrant, and ooh, the smell, honey, that was coming from the kitchen, just oh my goodness, guys, super amazing. And this is a pasta that you guys have to try. Like, come on, this pasta was so good. It's super easy. As you guys can see, it is so easy. Like, guys, you just have to try this. You have to try this, yeah, just super amazing. Now guys, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of oregano because we're making pasta, honey. You cannot make pasta without oregano. Like, it's just a no-no. It's just a no. Now I'm adding my half and half. You guys can use heavy cream if you guys have on hand. And then I'm gonna add another tablespoon and a half of Cajun season. And we're just gonna allow this to boil until it starts to thicken. Guys, you can go ahead and add your Parmesan cheese. I chose not to because it does have a high salt content, so I'm using the garlic salt because it does have that flavor. Oh my goodness, yeah, guys, I went ahead and I add some more half and half to that. Yeah, now I'm adding parsley flakes, and ooh, this is just gonna give it color, guys. This was so creamy and delicious, guys. How can you not want to try this? This was so good, just absolutely amazing, guys, trust me. Now guys, my pasta has cooked. I'm just gonna drain it, then add it to my sauce. There you go. Now we're gonna combine this until the sauce has started to reduce. And look at that, so creamy and delicious, guys, absolutely amazing. Now I'm gonna add a handful of mozzarella cheese. I wanted to use pepper jack. I wanted to use pepper jack, but oh my goodness, I didn't have any. This was the only thing I had on hand pertaining to cheese. Yeah, so I'm just using that, and this was super creamy. This was so good, guys. Please, you have to try this. The only thing I regret not adding was bacon. Trust me, the bacon would have just kicked it up a notch, but it was so good regardless, you know. Yeah, just amazing. You guys have to try this. You have to. Now guys, I'm just gonna slice my chicken and add that to my pasta, and voila, there you have it, guys. Our creamy Cajun chicken pasta, like just amazing, guys. Super delicious, super easy. It was just amazing. No lie, super amazing. I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you do, guys. Remember to comment, share, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so much for stopping by, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.